Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to Mama Ninja's Kitchen. Welcome one and all, my returning subscribers and followers. Much love. Happy holidays. All right, guys, what are you doing? Gearing up for the holidays this time. But guess what? If you are still thinking of that side dish, how do you hook up? A healthy side dish. Hey, Mama Ninja will never leave you hanging. I got a recipe for you. This is the best, the easiest, and the best greens you will ever taste, guys. Smoked turkey greens. Don't you like how it looks? Oh, yes, it even tastes better. I'm telling you, this was totally a crowd pleaser and a hook. All right, I'm sure you can't wait, guys. Let's get cooking. Ingredients you will need, details will be listed in the description box. So, you definitely need 1 bell pepper, 2 green chilies, and onions, 2 tablespoons butter. We're going to start with that. So drop that 2 tablespoon butter into your pan and add 1 teaspoon of the minced ginger as well as your chopped onions, and give that a good stir. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil into that mix. Saute for 1 minute until it becomes translucent. One teaspoon minced garlic goes in. Once the garlic and the onions is becoming translucent in the saute pan, now you are ready to add on your additional ingredients. So guys, the aroma already being infused by this combination is just Alright guys, let's drop in those red bell peppers. Now the green chili peppers are chopped up, and that is going to give our base here a very colorful combination. And as a matter of fact, I am loving that color. Take a look at that, guys. Isn't that just pure beauty? Saute that for another 1 minute, and then you will be ready to add on your protein. Guys, this is such an easy meal to prepare. Now, let's drop in the smoked turkey. I will leave the instructions on how to prep your smoked turkey in the description box. Be sure to take a look at it. That will give you the finest use of your smoked turkey. At this point, we are going to add our chopped kale and collard greens. Just go ahead and fill in that pot until it is full to the brim, and it will wither down shortly in less than 1 minute. Then you'll be able to turn it and add on the remaining of your greens. One thing that is always helpful is to use the lid to cover the pot. With a steam, it will quicken the rate at which the greens wither down. So now you want to stir your base sauce into the veggies. So you want to stir from the base, as you see me doing. You want to stir from the bottom up so that nothing is burnt on the bottom. Continue to do that until it is not about partially mixed in. Now you have enough room to add on the remaining greens that you have. Let's proceed to add the remaining portion of the greens into the pot. Once all of your greens is entered into the pot, now cover it with a lid briefly to enable it wither down, and then We can remove the lid after about 1 minute and then stir all of it together. Alright guys, now the last seasoning is going to go in. 2 teaspoons of Goya perfect seasoning goes in, followed by the crushed red pepper to your desired taste. I am also using the smoked chili sea salt that goes in for me, and I will be adding some Mama Niger green goat aromatic seasoning. That is an introduction of fresh herbs into that cuisine. And lastly, fresh milled black pepper that goes in as well. So now we can stir it all up together and let it saute for another 1 minute, at most 2 minutes, because you do not want to overcook your greens. Hence, you will lose the benefits from the vitamins. Vitamins are low heat tolerant, so you do not want to exceed more than 3 minutes for your greens. So guys, yes, when we say we're eating greens, we want to make sure that we are getting the benefits from it and not just eating fibers. Okay, but I am loving the colors here. This is a hearty side dish or even a main dish that you could have. You have your protein, you have your roughage, which is your fiber, you have your minerals, your vitamins, all fully incorporated within this side dish. This is a guilt-free side dish that you can have on regular days or on occasions or even during this holiday season. It is time for the tasting. Let me give it a taste for you guys. Oh my OMG. Wow. This is yummy. Yummy, yummilicious, finger licking good. Whoa. Now let's dish it out. Just look at the richness of the grains. That should be the color of your grains when you cook it. Don't overcook it so that it is faded green or even turning yellow. Then you have lost all the nutrients. It was decadent. It was just lusciously delicious. And it was a hook and a winner because the crowd kept coming back for more portions. So family and friends, hook this up for yourself this holiday season. You will love it and everyone on your guest list will enjoy it. Having fun eating healthy. Alright families, I am going to include here a few health benefits of kale and collard greens so that you actually see what you are eating and what you are getting from it. So please take a look because it is good to know what we are putting into our body. I hope you have gained from this video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. If you have not already subscribed, consider subscribing. You are welcome to this growing family as we love you and we always have an amazing adventure at Mama Niger's Kitchen. Come on and join us. Let's have a great party. Until we see you next time, Obulu or Kimberful. Bye-bye.